Welcome to Training Module 3, where we delve into the essential aspects of branding, pricing, marketing, and customer retention. This guide will help you start your brand and build customer awareness effectively. In this module, we will explore the critical elements of branding, pricing, marketing, and customer retention. You'll receive marketing templates, an Excel spreadsheet for customer retention, and strategies to retain customers and gain referrals. Building a brand involves a strategic approach. We'll guide you through 10 essential steps, from researching the competition to applying your branding consistently, ensuring your brand stands out in the market. You've already made significant strides in brand development. With a branded website, professional marketing, and a catchy slogan, your brand is well on its way to making a lasting impression. Pricing is a crucial aspect of marketing, influencing customer perception and revenue. Align your pricing strategy with your brand's values to create a loyal customer base and enhance sales. For service calls and inspections, a price range of $39–$49 is recommended. This ensures thorough inspection and optimal safety, providing value to your customers while maintaining efficiency. Duct replacement should be priced between $49–$69 plus parts cost. Proper airflow is essential, and each case is unique, requiring tailored solutions for maximum efficiency. Dryer vent cleaning services are priced between $149–$199, offering comprehensive inspections and recommendations for safety and efficiency, ensuring your customers receive top-notch service. With a consistent client base, your potential weekly income could reach $2,235, translating to a substantial annual revenue. This pricing plan will be integrated into your website, encouraging recurring business. Customer retention is key to generating recurring revenue. We'll explore tools and proven methods to keep customers engaged and ensure they return for more of your services. Customer retention measures how many customers stay with your business long-term. It's crucial for demonstrating your ability to stimulate repeat purchases and increase spending on your products and services. Client satisfaction, delight, switching costs, relationships, and service standards are the 5 key factors affecting customer retention. Understanding these will help you maintain a loyal customer base. Studies show that loyal customers are more profitable. The 3 R's of customer loyalty, retention, related sales, and referrals, are essential for building a strong, profitable customer base. Providing simplicity, building trust, and ensuring ongoing recognition are the 3 pillars of customer retention and recurring revenue. These strategies will help you maintain a loyal and profitable customer base. Retaining customers involves creating a strong onboarding experience, personalized interactions, and building trust. Implementing these strategies will ensure your customers remain engaged and loyal. A memorable first impression is crucial. Ensure your onboarding process is seamless, leaving customers with a positive experience that encourages them to return. Tailor your services to meet the unique needs of each customer. Avoid one-size-fits-all solutions and cater to individual preferences to enhance customer satisfaction and retention. Trust is fundamental in customer relationships. Consistently deliver on your brand promise and build trust over time, ensuring your customers perceive your brand as reliable and trustworthy. A feedback loop is vital for improvement. Collect, analyze, and distribute customer reviews to enhance your services and ensure customer satisfaction. Proactive communication is key. Use a communication calendar to manage customer interactions, creating opportunities for upselling and cross-selling. Recurring revenue is a powerful strategy for customer retention. By offering annual or biannual service agreements, like a dryer vent cleaning company, you can turn each customer into a loyal client for years. Dropping the initial fee for the first service call encourages customers to continue using your services, creating a steady revenue stream. Let's break down the financial benefits of recurring revenue. With an initial fee of $149 and subsequent annual or biannual fees, your total income from each client can exceed $1,000 over 10 years. This model not only boosts your revenue but also strengthens customer loyalty. To manage your recurring revenue and growth, we've developed a CRM template in Excel. This tool includes a dashboard, leads, and opportunities, providing everything you need to track and enhance your customer relationships. Print materials are essential for attracting new customers. We offer a variety of print template ideas to help your business stand out and draw in more clients. Our print templates include business cards, truck and van magnets, and apparel like t-shirts and hats. Plus, you'll receive logo files to use in your marketing materials, ensuring your brand is consistently represented. Consistency is key in branding. Ensure your marketing materials match your website and other platforms. This uniformity helps reinforce your brand identity across all customer touchpoints. Our print materials include logos, car magnets, and t-shirts, providing versatile options to promote your business effectively. We also offer business cards and baseball caps, adding to your arsenal of marketing tools. These items help keep your brand visible and memorable to potential customers.